In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign account numbers in QuickBooks Online. Assigning account numbers in QuickBooks Online can help you stay organized, especially as your bookkeeping needs grow. By using a logical numbering system, you can quickly identify account types and streamline your financial reports. Whether you're new to QuickBooks Online or just looking to optimize your chart of accounts, this tutorial will guide you step by step. And if you're not already using QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started today. Now let's dive in. First, start by opening QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu where you can access various customization options for your account. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. When the Account and Settings window opens, you'll see several tabs along the left-hand side. Click on the Advanced tab to access more advanced features. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Chart of Accounts. In this section, you'll want to make a few adjustments. Click to edit the settings, then look for the option to turn on account numbers. Once you've enabled that, make sure to check the box that says Show Account Numbers. This ensures that the numbers will appear prominently where they're needed. After making these changes, click Save to confirm, and then click Done to close the settings window. Now that you've turned on account numbers, it's time to start assigning them to access your chart of accounts. Navigate through the gear icon again and select the Chart of Accounts option, or you can open it through the Bookkeeping menu. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts view, you'll notice a new column for account numbers. To assign a number to an account, locate the account you want to edit. Next to that account, click the drop-down menu and select Edit. This will open the account details window. Look for the field labeled Number and enter the number you'd like to assign to that account. Once you've entered the number, click Save to apply your changes. You'll need to repeat this process for each account you want to number. Click the drop-down next to an account, choose Edit, assign the appropriate number, and save your changes. Following a logical numbering structure can make this process much easier. For example, you might use the 1000s for asset accounts, the 2000s for liability accounts, and so on. As you assign numbers, it's a good idea to leave some gaps between them. For instance, instead of using consecutive numbers like 6101, 6102, and 6103, you could use 6100, 6200, and 6300. This makes it easier to add new accounts in the future without disrupting your numbering system. If you have sub-accounts, consider grouping them close to their parent account by assigning related numbers. For example, if your main account is 4000, you might assign numbers like 4020 to its sub-accounts. This keeps your chart of accounts organized and easy to navigate. If you ever need to update or modify an account number, you can do so at any time. Simply follow the same steps. Locate the account, click the drop-down menu, select Edit, make your changes, and save. Once you've assigned numbers to your accounts, take a moment to verify that they appear correctly on your lists and reports. This will ensure that your financial data is clear and easy to review, making tasks like reconciliation and auditing much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.